Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming eligibility and then act immediately. Check that your account is creator or business and meets follower and engagement thresholds. This qualifies you. Next, link a payout method, bank or PayPal, and verify your Identity Plus tax forms so payments clear. Once done, open Meta Creator Studio and enable ads and bonuses, then opt into the Performance Bonus program. Doing these steps now prevents delays later, and it establishes the payment and eligibility foundation you need. Now focus on the content and measurement that drive bonus payouts. Create a consistent mix of short-form and live content, and schedule posts so algorithm signals predictability. This increases reach. Enable in-stream ads, tag branded content properly, and add clear engagement prompts. These features often tie to performance metrics. Meanwhile, use Meta Analytics to monitor CTR, average view time, and retention, and then adjust your posting cadence and thumbnails to improve those numbers. These actions directly influence bonus calculations, so iterate quickly. Finish by claiming and monitoring your bonuses, and prepare for fixes if things go wrong. Check the bonus dashboard weekly, claim payouts within the program window, and reconcile amounts against your analytics. If a payment fails, immediately confirm payout details and identity verification, update info, and retry. If a bonus is denied, review policy violation notices, gather supporting evidence, and file an appeal within the timeframe. If needed, contact creator support with timestamps and screenshots. This speeds resolution and protects future eligibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.